Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to connect your PS5 game controller to your iPhone or iPad to play the favorite game titles you have on Apple App Store or Apple Arcade. The very first important thing that you need to understand is you don't have to turn your game controller and use a pin or any sharp object to reset your game controller in order to pair it fresh with your iPhone or iPad. This action will completely do a factory reset of your game controller so that you have to pair your game controller once again with wires with your PlayStation 5 machine after completing the gameplay with your iPhone or iPad. Simply press the PS button and the share button at the top left corner located on your game controller, and you will see the blue color light blinking on your game controller, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad Bluetooth discovery is set to on. The toggle is on at the top section, and after doing the simple pressing and holding of the PS button and the share button for 5 seconds, you can see that the DualShock controller appears on the pair device list. So tap on that and it will immediately complete the pairing, and only inside the games that are controller supported you can play and use this game controller. So search for any game that has the game controller compatibility mentioned clearly on the download page itself. Next to the description, you can see that this game is whether game controller supported or not. You can use Xbox controller or PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 controller to connect with your iPhone or iPad to play your favorite game titles. Instead of on-screen gameplay, you can sit on your couch or on your working table or any setup to comfortably play with your game controller, and that is one reason for a better gaming experience. People choose game controller over the tapping on screen to play the games for few minutes or hours. So here you can see once the controller is paired and it is working, you will see the red color LED light on the controller, the top sides. And based on the game features, they normally guide you when you launch it for the first time, which buttons you need to press, according to the mapping that is already present and configured by the game developer. You will be able to use the buttons comfortably to play your favorite game. There are hundreds of game titles available in Apple App Store with the Apple Arcade that supports the game controller. If you are thinking about buying the game controller separately, I'll leave a link to that for Amazon website, or you can visit the nearest Sony showroom and purchase your gaming controller and start using it only for your iPhone or iPad. And a friend of mine actually using it with his iPad Pro 12.9-inch model with the game controller. He don't have PlayStation 5 and he is an occasional gamer in between of some work stress. He tried to play the game and it does a wonderful job for a comfortable playing at his desk. I hope this video helped you to connect PS5 game controller with your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.